Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Booba, welcome to my magic show. Today you're gonna watch a great magic trick. Here I have a napkin. I take this napkin and cover my thumb with this napkin. Okay, just like that. You see it? Here it is. Wait, stay still. You've got something behind your ear. Is that your toothpick? Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, then I pierce my finger. Look, but don't worry, Booba. It's just magic.
How did he do that?
Do you want to know how I did this?
Yes, please.
Okay, then sit down and watch closely. Here I have a tasty sausage. Fresh. And then I hide it behind a napkin, just like this. I wrap my finger, my thumb, on the other hand, with this napkin. I take a toothpick, pierce the sausage, like this, and then I quickly take it off and reveal my thumb. Thank you very much. Oh, you also want to show a magic trick? Okay, let's see.
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Wow, Booba, how did you do that? Wow. Wow, Booba, how did you do that? Booba, wow, it's a great magic trick. Thank you.
That was a great magic trick. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you next time, friends. Booba is waiting for his friend to arrive.
Booba, what's that? Wait. That's not rubbish. I know what it is. Look, this is the rake to loosen the soil. And this is the shovel to dig up the soil. And this is the water can to water it. I saw my mom use these in the garden. Oh, and this is the most important thing. Seeds to grow. Oh, wait!
Where is Booba going?
What's that?
A vase filled with water?
Huh? Booba, that's not how you grow seeds. Wait, stop! Give me that. Booba, let's grow some flowers, okay? let's go. Okay. Maybe we should take a look at the instruction to make sure we do it right.
Start by choosing a pot. What a nice tune you're making.
We'll plant some seeds and watch them grow. And will they flower? We do not know.
That was fun.
Thank you very much. I think this is the great pot, Booba. Yes, we'll plant a seed there. And this pot we don't need. Okay, could you please give me a shovel? No, Booba, that's a rake. Give me a shovel. Yes. Thank you. There we go.
Pour some soil into the pot.
Airplane. Wow. I think that's all. That's all we need. Give me some seeds. I need seeds. Yes. Thank you very much, Booba. 1 second. Look, 1 seed.
Place 1 seed into the soil and cover it with more soil.
Now we should put some more soil on the top. Give me a shovel. Thank you. Just like that. Like here a little bit. And right there. Great. And now we should water the plant.
That's right. Let's water it.
Thank you very much, Booba. Okay. I think right there. Yes. Yes, I think that's all we need. But wait, we don't have no sunlight here. What should we do? Oh, that's a great idea, Booba.
At home, you could place the pot somewhere with real sunlight, like a windowsill.
I think we need some more water. Like that. And a little bit of sun.
You'll need to be patient because flowers need time to grow.
Wow! A nice flower! Great job, Booba!
It's lots of fun growing flowers. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you next time, friends.
Booba! Booba, where are you? Oh, I want to see what's in the box. I'll just take a quick peep.
Here comes Booba.
What? Oh, another box. It wasn't me. Well, yes. I wanted to see what's in the box. But there's a smaller box in the big one. So what's in it? Give me a clue.
Yes. Can we have a clue?
Huh?
Is it something that runs around in a circle?
Whoa! Is it a spinning toy? All right, then give me another clue, Booba. Oh, I know, it's a ball. Shoo. Are you bouncing a ball?
Oh,
No?
it isn't a ball.
Alright, then I need one more clue, please. Ah, you're playing the guitar, right? Am I right? No?
I wonder what it is.
Ah, I get it! I get it! At first, I thought it was a spinning toy because you were spinning around. And then, I guess it might be a ball because you were playing with it. And at the end, I thought it's a guitar, but you don't play it. So, it's a yo-yo! Yay, I'm right! Let's see.
Is it a yo-yo?
It's a yo-yo! I want to play with it.
It is a yo-yo.
It goes down and back up. Down, up, down, up. Whoa! Oh, have a try. You're so funny, Booba. Whoa. Cool.
Well done for guessing what's in the box. Let's celebrate with a dance. See you next time, friends.